Guys, go on now. Yes, big up everyone right now. You understand? Everyone, big up yourself. People, this one is Pop Balloon, Find Love. But not in Jamaica this time. This one is over New York, okay? Yes, guys. But first, before we get right into it, I need everyone to subscribe right now. You understand? All of my subscribers, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Bro, there's no one want to find love. I keep asking that question over and over, people. You get what I say? Yes. I keep asking that question over and over. No one want to find love, bro. So, I guess couple guys back in Jamaica, they find love. You understand? So, let's see if these guys over in New York ready to find love. Hope this is not a play thing or a joke thing. Okay? Yes, people. So subscribe. Thank you very much. People, go over this YouTube channel as well. It is a music channel. Name One Code Music. Y'all air your favorite music over there. Okay? Yes. Let's get right into it and see if New York ready to find love.
Please like the video.
Please.
May I wait?
May I wait? Let's see,
Thank
guys.
you.
Let's see, guys.
Watch you now. I just want to big up on yourself. Thanks for the love and the support. As always, big up. Oh gosh, live boss not there. John no star. Live boss anywhere in the world there. Big up yourself, my G. Crank up.
So I guess, guys, he fly out of Jamaica to do this Pop Balloon in New York because Jamaica seems like some prank. Jamaica, yo, like no one wanna find love. It seems like comedy, bro.
No, I'm nervous. I might take a visual, but I'm nervous. You see it? Big up JB Design for the bad design them. Any poster I want to see with, JB Design. You see it? My G, it's simple.
Seems like it's simple. For real, seems like a design factory. Look at these guys' pants and shoes.
A female walk out. Oh, no, know this?
An ear.
When a female walk out, if you don't like her, pop the balloon, okay? If you
Hold
like
on. Who's that guy gonna give rose, bro? I see a guy right there with a rose.
car, what you gonna do?
Keep the balloon.
I see a guy right there with a rose, guys.
Buy something from Shots Vern. Spoiler. Thank you for the love. Florida will come in on the 28th of August. Oh gosh,
right.
my passport does get stamped, so. Shots Vern, are you do that, you know? Me just a fly, so. Me I want flyer. As always, God in night. Chips.
God always in it, bro. You understand? If God wasn't in it, it would not work out. People, let this subscribe work out for me. Subscribe right now and please to share this video and like this video, okay?
Banana
Chips!
Wait.
One chips.
Please like the video.
Let's see if New
May I
York
wait?
ready to find love. Let's see if New York ready to
Thank
find
you.
love.
Yo, we are bringing the first female, is it? When you don't know the usual.
Yo.
God in night, yeah?
Hey,
Right.
hope no one pop the balloon. Like, ha.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Des. I'm from St. Lucia. I work for Amazon.
Bro, yo, why you so extra? Like, yo, y'all going so far, bro? Like, why him extra like that? Like, it is not a football. Yo, yo, these guys.
I guess that's it.
What's your type?
I ain't gonna lie, I like a bad boy, to be honest with you.
No boy, no bad.
Yeah, because they're none of them my type, to be honest with you. I like, I'm from the Caribbean, so.
You like bad man.
You
Bro,
just,
you sure this female come to find love, bro? Because she's not ready, bro. Look how she look. Oh my God. She really want to find love. She looks stressed out.
so.
Okay. Alright, so we got some pops. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll go down this side. Your name? Why pop the balloon?
Shock, one shocky jet, you see me? She slim. I kind of girl, them thick, see, make a Morgan, you see me, I say. Some lamb girl and thick. That is it.
Alright, so based on her appearance, how much you rate her?
7.
7.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
She has smile, so
You like that? What do you think about female appearance?
I like how he dressed. He cool. I mean, I'll give him a 8.5.
That's not bad. My G?
yeah, man. That,
Good?
Yeah, man.
Alright, come to this side. Your name, wipe out the balloon.
Persona. I'm a bad man still, nah. I keep things easy, I not lie to you. I not live them life there yet, you see me? Yeah,
Oh, so that's how you pop the balloon.
yeah, man.
Alright, so based on her appearance, how much you rate her?
Yeah, cool, seven, nice, look slim as man.
I like that.
Yeah.
Alright. What do you think about him based on him appearance? How much you rate him?
He have a cute face, type shit. He have a cute face. I'll give him like a 7.5. Like, you know.
Respect.
Yeah.
7.5.
Yeah, man, cool with that.
Good with that.
Really,
Yeah, man.
most race.
Alright. My G, your name, wipe up balloon.
Kadim, you know. See, 2-year color thing, nah, work with it. She don't know which side she depend. If she depend the black or she depend the blue. I don't know with spice. I shouldn't see me thing them out. Big man thing. You have to pick which side of
Yo, from you see this guy, you know that this guy is really a mix-up guy.
mama. But, nah lie, yeah, nice like a 5.
Thank
5
you.
out of 10.
Hey, look how the guy with the glasses looking, bro. Look how he's just looking over.
She got a nice like a 5, man. A slim as man.
Because our ear color, you get a 5.
Yeah. And the dress too. But they even like that. That look like come from Fordham Road.
Fordham Road.
Yeah.
That I like a downtown.
Yeah. Bronx downtown that. So you know a thing go.
Alright, based on him appearance, how much you rate him?
I give him like a. I like the shoes inside, but I feel like he too full of himself. I'll give him like a 4.
4.
Yeah, 4 type shit.
Go on, man. Only 5.
Anyways,
Easy Rita.
Alright.
next.
Come to this
Problem,
side.
man, you know.
Your name, wipe out the balloon.
007. Define badness.
Badness,
Yeah,
to be honest
bad
with you,
boy.
when I say bad boy, everyone probably like, ugh. But anyways, it's just like, I feel like in life, like, you know, when you're going through shit, you need someone to be there for you because I've been in situations, like, you know, where guys would run away and type shit. So I'm just saying that I need someone to be there for me and not be like a soft kind of guy type shit. That's what I'm saying. It's nothing like, you know, like gunman type shit. Everyone probably like they know all about that life. So I'm just saying it's just like someone
So you want
who,
me to take over the relationship?
the what?
But basically, that's what you're saying.
Yeah, like a someone who
Be the
like
aggressor,
dominant,
be the
like yeah,
aggressor.
you check it. Like I ain't want no soft guy. I want like a
Or me aggressive still, but your teeth them look sharp still.
well, it is what it is.
Them look sharp. They look like you do plenty cutting. You see me? I'm a love, you know what I mean? That's it.
Or like, what that mean? Like, you know,
what
like
that
our
mean, bro?
sharpness, our teeth?
No, man, look like you do plenty cut up on my. You see it?
Shit, if you say so though, you don't know about me, but carry on.
I see having the tongue ring still, but if I can reach it so that I have to pass it, the sharp teeth them still. Is it?
Yo,
I know this still, you know?
yo, guys, yo, I think this was serious, bro. Yo, I think this was serious, bro. Seems like, yo, I can't watch a pop balloon in peace, bro. Like, yo. Seems like some.
Alright, what do you think about him based on him appearance?
Yeah, he cool. I'll give him like a 6. Yeah,
How much you rate her?
2.
thanks.
No cap. Yo, guys, I want to watch a pop balloon in peace, guys. Can someone send me a pop balloon in peace, bro? Like, I just watch it and it just sound respectful. No, it's drama. You understand? Yes, and they find love and you understand? Yes, but yo, it seems like some comedy type thing. You understand? Some comedy. Bro.
2.
Yo,
2, man.
Alright, my G, big up. Come to this side. Your name, wipe out the balloon.
Slug Terror. From she said, bah. Me left Jamaica. And now I'm there in New York. I look the money. I'm not dealing with no type of badness. And me keep on here say type shit. You know Lindsay machine? I be a type, everything is a type shit.
Okay.
But I believe that every woman is wonderfully and beautifully made in their own presence. So here you go.
I appreciate you.
You're welcome,
Thank you.
see that.
So based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Me like give her, I honestly just not like the ear, the blue and the black, but me like give her a 5.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem.
So basically, him just forward for just give a rose.
On film appearance, what do you think about him?
Honestly,
guys
this
sample them.
just gave him like a 9, to be honest, because he is sweetheart. I fuck with it. Thanks.
A 9.
Thanks.
Okay. Y'all going with that?
Why the fuck not?
Yeah, so she get a rose, she get a 9.
Your name, wipe out balloon.
Cheval. Our statement, the whole bad man thing and Ray. Yeah, I barely left my yard, you know, so I can't bleach at night time and them thing there, you see me? I like the tattoo and honestly, as here, I love the colour. You see me? Smile nice and right, but I'm not a bad man. Can't fit that criteria there.
I respect that.
Alright.
Alright. So what do you think about him appearance?
He cool. I'll give him like a 7.
7.
Yeah.
Much did I rate her?
You're a 6.
6, 7.
Yeah, well.
Not bad.
I can get 1. It don't matter to me.
It don't matter to you. Alright, my G, your name, wipe out balloon.
Real Cliffy and Rolly. I pop the balloon. First and foremost, big up yourself, Lucian.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful in your own way.
You check it?
You get what I'm saying?
Nobody think.
Saying I said, Lucia, your fit right now probably is a 10 or whatever. But I don't have no problem with the little bad man thing when you say once or whatever. I have no problem with that. But you just give me one little smoky vibes and me like a lady. You get what I say? You look like how you open up all Heineken with your teeth and them something there. You get me?
I do. So
And then
Jeez.
you give me this look avatar look on them thing there.
Jano.
So that's what I look at 5 and you know? Everything good.
It's cool.
All the foot them not you even shave up your legs them and them thing.
I honestly, I don't
but that's what I try to show you say like, you know, your world,
Yeah,
you
you
work
check
for
it.
somebody else, but I don't know personal or whatever.
Yeah, nothing personal.
I have a rule.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, based on him appearance, how much did I rate him?
It's like a 7.
Thank
Yeah.
you, baby.
You're cool.
7.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, man, big up.
Alright, your name, wipe out balloon.
London Foreign. School and everything, but the badness thing kind of throw me off. Get me? When I do the badness thing. As I'm say, my boy say up so like come from Jamaica. I do that already. You get me with the America, change our whole life. You get
Bro,
me?
stop the cap.
When I do that
Stop cap, bro. Stop cap. You're
this
capping.
thing. And she kind of too like slouchy, like obviously she smoke weed, you know?
I'm high.
Yeah, so I like classy lady, you know. But them say the thing we run right now, demure. Like ladies, them demure.
Very mindful.
Very mindful. You get me? I say classy. Okay. So yeah, that's the only thing. But she cool otherwise. She cool. I like her dreads, tattoo. I'm into tats, you know.
Okay.
Tattoo, so she cool. Just the badness thing kind of throw me off.
Sure, yeah. What do you think about him based on him appearance?
I like the tattoos too. I like the tattoos, the dressing. He cool. Yeah, I'd give him like a 7.5, 8 type shit because of the tattoos. I fuck with tattoos and dreads. So
And you get her how much?
She kind of in a slow motion still, so like I don't know, like some boy like kind of throw me. That girl nice.
Yeah.
4.5.
4.5.
4.5. Yeah, slow.
She said she eye.
Yeah, it's kind of it's too slow for me. Like my girls, I'm quick, you know, snappy. Too slow.
Come this way. hold on. Your name? Wipe out balloon.
Name is Foreign Minded. I'm a big pan energy. You know, I like her hair color and the tattoo and thing. Me different, you know. But I thing kind of feel alien off, you know?
Alien?
Yeah, man. Extraterrestrial. She's up on another level.
Or like she to herself?
Yeah, man. Like too weird. You get what I'm saying?
Too weird.
Yeah. Me just vibe wise. But me like her.
Yo, he's from Jamaica, guys. The host is from Jamaica, people. You understand? And I guess these guys is a Jamaican also. This is New York, so you know they get a lot of new talk over in New York. You understand, people? Yes. So the host don't understand nothing. He's getting some new type of talk. You understand? Yes.
That one I hear color still, you know.
So much of that rate her?
Get her a cool 3.5.
Cool. How is that cool?
3.5? Because our vibe?
Yeah, cause energy everything, you know.
Alright. Based on film appearance and him energy, how much of that rate him?
Well, I mean, the dreads, because of the dreads, I don't like the nail polish, to be honest with you.
Burn up.
Feel that I come.
But shit, I like the tattoos and the dreads. For that, I'll give you like a 4, to be honest with you, because the outfit and nail polish threw me off. Because, I mean,
You give me a 4?
the nail polish threw me off.
Because I'm no. Oh, nail
And the
polish.
outfit, to be honest with
So,
you. But,
good man.
yeah, you are. But
Burn up.
Yeah, image man.
Why?
Take image up, you know.
And I
Okay.
need
Is
that.
that nail polish?
Yeah.
A nail polish for real?
Oh yeah, man.
Okay. Alright. I hear it alright, right? I'll go down to this side.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey, there's no other guy he tell to go over that side. Yeah, the only guy he say, yo, just go over to that side. No fish right there, sir. No image, guys, but nail polish. Bono.
Your name a white pop balloon?
Yo, my name is Kid Hayes. Why I pop the balloon? To be honest, me like a female with more weight. You understand? I'm more heavy set seeing me still. You know what I mean? Me ain't really too heavy, but make a little challenge. You understand? Yeah, otherwise than that, she straight, man. Me like to tattoo them. You know? See, she frost right now.
Yo, this guy cap look big, bro. It's not on his head. Like, it's just big.
So much of that rate her?
New York.
Yeah, 6.
6.
Yeah, 6.
New
What do you
York got
think
a
about
lot
him
of
appearance?
something.
he's cool. I
Cool.
like the dressing. I like the vibe. I like his eyes. I give him like a 7.58 type shit.
7.58.
Yeah.
7.5.
that's valid.
Alright.
People really are
Every
running our
meal.
tracks, sir.
Pop them balloon?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Walk
So
with
you know
grace.
what them have to do?
Yeah.
You have to walk with
I
grace.
know. That's why I did this.
Yeah, you.
But anyways, because they're Americans, they ain't no shit.
Guys, y'all reach the end of the video. You understand? Yo, can someone send me someone who find love in this pop balloon challenge? Hey, leave a comment right now, guys. And do remember what? Subscribe. You understand? Thank you everyone for the subscribe. Thank you for sharing this video. Keep safe out there into the world, okay? Yes, people. I'm out.